welcome to my vlog. So today we are gonna create that everyday fresh makeup look. So let's begin. So first we need to put the primer, makeup primer. So I'm mixing the Smashbox primer and the Catrice primer. So just put it on your cheeks, especially on your nose and your forehead. Yeah. Then just dab it on your face and wait for it to dry before you put on your foundation. And one more thing before the foundation, I opted to put this MAC strobe cream just for that extra glow. Now it's time for the foundation. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. So I just pour a small amount of this foundation. Okay, and I'm using this Real Techniques Miracle Foundation Blender. So I personally love this because it's very soft and it easily blends the foundation. Yeah. So just keep on blending. Blend it, blend it, blend it. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and just put it on those areas which you want to highlight, like your nose, your forehead, your chin, especially your under eyes. And just blend it again. And now I'm using this Mercier's Brightening Setting Powder. So I'll put it under my eyes. So just to brighten my eyes. You can also use any loose powder that you want. I'm taking my brush just to dust off those excess powders. And I need to set the foundation for the rest of my face because I only put the brightening powder on some areas. So blending is the key, so don't forget. And now it's highlight time. I'm using this Maybelline Eyebrow Pencil. comes with a spoolie on the other end of the pencil, so it's easier for me to blend my kilay. Kilay is life, so kailangan pantay ang kilay. Lahat yata tayo hindi pantay ang kilay, so kailangan pantay na lang gamit ang pencil or ang powder, eyebrow powder, ganon. So yun, brush, blend lang. Ayan. Next, ang pag-contour naman ng cheeks at ng forehead para sa akin. So, kayong bahala kung saan nyo gustong ilagay. Usually, sa may ilalim ng cheeks, sa forehead, para pumayat ang mukha. Pwede rin sa jawline para magkaroon kayo ng contoured face. Pati na rin sa nose, pampatangos ng ilong. So I'm using this Park Ave Princess from Tarte. Next, yung eyeshadow naman. Ang ginamit ko dito ay brown shade. I think yung Jet Setter. Hindi ko na maalala. Pero, any brown shade, pang everyday makeup look. So, perfect na yan. Next, ang blush on naman. So, my favorite Nars blush in Orgasm. Pampa-fresh lang, di ba? Okay, mascara naman. Oops, curl muna pala. So, kasi ako, yung eyelashes ko, parang nakababa siya. So, kailangan ko talaga siyang i-lift gamit ang eyelash curler. So, ngayon, I'm using this Heroine Mascara. My all-time favorite. So, yung iba naman, pinagpala sila ng makapal na lashes, tapos naka-curl pa. Ganun. So, kailangan din maglagay sa lower lashes. For that, nakabukas na eyes look. So, ngayon, highlighter naman. Gamit ang blender. Then, lagay lang sa cheeks, sa nose. Yun. And then, yung lipstick, I'm using this Laniege. Hindi ko alam paano i-pronounce, pero yun. So, para siyang two-tone. Para may ombre effect. Ayan. And that's it. So, sa palagay niyo, madali bang sundan ang makeup look na to? So, comment lang kayo sa baba. So, ito, optional lang, pampa-fresh. It's a, mist. Para maset ang makeup. Para hindi siya sobrang powdery. Ganon. So, kung nagustuhan nyo tong makeup video na to, comment lang kayo sa baba. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.